all of you on my YouTube channel. For whatever reason you're here, I'm glad that you are. I'm just about to mail out this sweet little journal and thought that I would give y'all a look before it went. Give y'all a close up. I did want the antique bookshell to show through some, so it's not 100% covered, and I love how it came out. I used my all of the digitals for the pages are from my Dreamy Rooms digital kit. I don't know if that kit will be released by the time this video comes out or not. I've got glue on my fingers. I didn't realize. Y'all, I'm sorry. But yes, I am currently working on this kit, getting it all together so that I can put it in my Etsy shop, and that's what this is. Got a pocket over here. This is one of my digitals. There we go. Get in there. Just to give you all a closer look of the pages. Love these rooms. And still plenty of places to write. Got a glassine bag here that I've decorated and coffee dyed. Got a guest check in there. This page is holding these little dangles that I made. A little frame with one of my digitals and some Glamour Dust and a pearl, and then a tiny little tag that I have decked out with some bling on a bulb pen. I made this pocket by layering a bunch of lace and trims in fabric. And in here, another one of my digitals, a little tag, place to write. I don't know how well y'all will be able to see these. Oops, sorry about that. See these rooms, so that's why I'm holding the journal up, because I know that the camera's kind of far away, and I want y'all to be able to get a good look. I think that they're so pretty. All right, another pocket made out of layering fabrics and laces, an antique piece of wedding veil here, and another one of my digitals. This one I cropped a lot to make this digital. It's not the way that it is. And a couple more of my digitals. A guest check with a little, kind of reminds me of, I can't think of the name of it. It escapes me. It's a little bunny doll, a little bunny shabby chic doll. And I've added on, so this is my digital, and this is one of my fussy cut digitals here with napkins. And then a little piece of lace fabric hanging down there. I thought that was so cute. And right now I can't think of what I'm trying to think of. And on the back we have this image, and pull that up, and just a little ticket with a little doily, little paper doily. All right, where's my paper clip? There it is. I did a bit of sewing in here. One of my little mini folders that I embossed and stamped and added just some touches of glamour dust, and I thought it would be a really cute place to write. This is the piece, the digital that started this whole kit. I love that so much, and I thought I've got to have more dreamy rooms. Love it, love it. And then the back page. This is not my digital. This is a card, a bunch of cards that I had or have. But this is one of my digitals, but it's just blown up. This is not how the original digital looks. I just really blew this up so that I could make a tag out of it. Yeah, maybe I'll make some like that. That first one was the same way, and the birdcage the same way. I may do that because I do really, really love those. I'll think on it. Might have to do it. Anyway, I hope that y'all like this. I hope that it inspired you. And I thank y'all so much for watching. I hope that you all have a wonderful, wonderful day. And if you haven't already and you like my content, I just ask you kindly to please subscribe, give me that thumbs up, interact with my videos. It really, really helps me a lot. For those of y'all that do, thank you so much. And thank y'all for watching. Bye.